Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your email on the Binance app. All right, so first up, go to open up the Binance app. Now, once you're in here on your dashboard, just go and go to the top left, click on the three horizontal lines. Okay, now once you're in here, you'll have your profile and profile name. So what you're going to do is just tap on it. And in here, as you can see, you will have a glimpse of your registered email. So we're not going to touch it. What we're going to do is just go ahead and go to security right here, tap on it. And once done, scroll down. And once done, just go ahead and tap on email. Okay. So tap on email right here. Just go ahead and tap on the pencil icon or the edit button to start editing your email. Okay. But do keep in mind that if you change your email address, withdrawals in P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours. And the old email address cannot be used to register for 30 days. Okay, so just basically tick on both of these check boxes, hit on continue. Well, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to wait 24 hours, okay? So just hit on continue, change the email address. And once that's done, you should be good to go. That's basically it. That is how you change your email address or email on the Binance app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.